welcome to the final video for day one. We made it. In this video, we're going to review the words that we learned in video one. I want you to get a piece of paper and a pen. If you don't have one now, press pause and come back. Okay, so you've got the paper and pen ready. What I'm going to do is I'm going to read the words from today's lesson, and I want you to write them down as I say them. Are you ready? Okay. Word number one today is siblings. Siblings. The second word for today is cousin. Cousin. The third word for today is deceased. Deceased. Number 4 is 2 words, passed away. Passed away. The next word is immediate. Immediate. The next word is extended. Extended. Word number 7, maternal. Maternal. And word number 8, paternal. Paternal. Now I want you to check the words that you wrote down with the answers. Here they are. How did you go? I'm sure you did fine. If there are some words that you couldn't remember or you didn't know how to write down, it's okay. Just try and practice them for homework. I'm looking forward to seeing you tomorrow where we will talk about... Hi, and welcome to day 2 of our 14-day fluency course. Today, our topic is food. So let's have a look at the key words for today's topic. Our first word for today is cuisine. Now, cuisine means the type of food. So, for example, if you like Indian food, you can say, I like Indian cuisine. If you like Japanese food, you can say, I like Japanese cuisine. Our second word for today is diet. Now, diet can be a noun or a verb. As a noun, I can say, I have a healthy diet, or I can say, I have an unhealthy diet. If I say, I'm on a diet, it means I'm losing weight. As a verb, I can say, I'm dieting. Our third word for today is appetite. Now, appetite is used to describe how much you like to eat. So, for example, if you like to eat a lot, then you can say, I have a big appetite. If you don't like to eat a lot, then you can say, I have a small appetite. Let's have a look at the next word for today. Our fourth word for today is buffet. Now, buffet is a word that I get very excited about because I love going to buffets. A buffet is a restaurant where you can eat as much food as you want. Let's have a look at the next word for today's lesson. Our fifth word for today is takeaway or takeout. Now, takeaway food is when you go to a restaurant, you buy the food, they make it for you, and then you take it away. You can take it home. Some common kinds of takeaway food are pizza or Chinese food in many Western countries. Let's have a look at our next word for today. Our sixth word for today is starving. Now, starving means that you are very, very hungry. So if you haven't eaten all day, then you can say, I'm starving. Let's have a look at our seventh word for today. Our seventh word for today is traditional. Now, traditional food is food that comes from your culture or your country. So, for example, pizza is traditional Italian food. Sushi is traditional Japanese food. What kind of traditional food do you have from your country? Let's have a look at our eighth and final word for today. Our final word for today is organic. Now, organic food is food that is grown without chemicals. So many people say it's healthier for us. However, organic food is also much more expensive. Let's have a look at those 8 words again. Now, let's take a moment to review the words from today's lesson. Are you ready? Cuisine, cuisine. Diet, diet. Appetite, appetite. Buffet, buffet. Takeaway, takeaway. Takeout, takeout. Starving, starving. Traditional, traditional. Organic, organic. Okay, we've just finished the words for today. Now I want you to watch video 2 so you can see me use these words to make a speech about food. See you in the next video. Bye.